everyone, and welcome to my channel, Sonia C Styles. Today's video will be on how to decorate your fireplace mantle, easy, affordable, and elegant. So the color scheme that we're going to be using today will be turquoise, white, silver, and black. And we're going to start out with this piece right here. This is a silver tray. I purchased it at Pier 1. Okay, so we're going to start out with placing this here. As you see, the mantle is completely empty, so we're going to do a transformation. Okay, so we're going to place the tray right here in the middle of our fireplace. Okay, this is a turquoise and black glass piece that we're going to put right here in the middle of the tray. Just make sure that it's centered and secure. Now we're going to place these two vases. I purchased these at Pier 1. They were on clearance for $11.99. The color is black and silver, and we're going to put these on the ends. Just like so. Okay. These items here, these are turquoise candle holders. So that's what these are. I purchased these at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure if you have a Hobby Lobby in your area, but that is a very nice store to shop in. It has all different kinds of crafts. Normally things are 50% off, and if it's not, they offer a coupon weekly. Just about every week there's a coupon for 40 to 50% off your items. So these are candle holders we're going to put right next to the tray. Next thing we're going to put are these white and silver Christmas ornaments. These are Christmas ornaments. As you see, here's the little things that you hang, that you put on the Christmas tree. You can put the little hooks right up in there. So we're going to place these right inside of the candle holder. And this gives it a whole different look. You see? Okay. The final piece, these are, I don't know what you call these. They look like candle sticks, but they're silver. I did purchase these at Burlington. Okay. Very inexpensive. So we're going to place these right here, right in between the vase and the candle holder. Okay, and there we have it. Very simple, budget-wise, not expensive, and also elegant. Just a few pointers. Some of the nice stores that you could find items at a reasonable price would be Burlington Coat Factory, TJ Maxx, Home Goods, Tuesday Morning, and Kirkland's, and also Hobby Lobby. So these stores are very inexpensive. You can find nice things to decorate your home decor at a very reasonable, affordable rate. So I hope that this video was beneficial to those who are looking to decorate their mantle, fireplace mantle, at an affordable price. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video.